Welcome back. Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority EPRA now says the cost of power and fuel will not come down unless the government increases efficiency and reduces systemic losses through transmission. And as Jimmy Mbogo reports, Kenyans will continue to contend with high energy costs despite prices reducing in the international market.
Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority EPRA Director General Daniel Kiptoo now says that he will not be recommending the removal of taxes on energy products as a solution to correct the current soaring prices. According to Kiptoo, this may be counterproductive and will not achieve much in consideration of the numerous conflicting interests that the regulator has to balance.
We are not in a place where we can say let's reduce the cost of power or the cost of fuel by cutting taxes, because that's not within our mandate. That's the mandate of Parliament. But if you actually go down that path, the question will be, then the taxes that would be collected from power or from petroleum were to go for an intended purpose. What then happens to those programs?
Kiptoo, who was speaking during an interview on KTN Business Today show, further noted that the only way to reduce the cost of energy and petroleum products in the country is by increasing efficiency and reducing systemic losses, adding that besides losses, external factors and disruptions of the supply chain remain the biggest contributors to the soaring prices.
If you look at the last 2 months, 3 months, what we've been more concerned about is not the landed price, either of petroleum products, LPG or gas, or generation cost. It has been the sliding of the shilling.
With the government now set to lower the cost of LPG gas in the country, the regulator lauded the move, saying it will open up the market.
We will look at introducing competition and economies of scale by introducing a bulk procurement of the gas, and then ensuring that also some of the malpractices related to the LPG space, such as illegal refilling, are then eradicated, so that then we can get private sector also to invest in this space.
Jimmy Mbogo, KTN News.
Tea sales by KTDA managed factories